I'm supposed to wait like a couple seconds to get started just to make sure it's working. So let's pretend that that was a few seconds. So welcome to the Daily Minute-ish, give or take a little bit. Today I wanted to reconnect on what I was trying to do on Monday when I had operator error, trying to get information out to you. Talking about MT Connect and MT Insight. So just a couple basics. MT Connect is an interoperability open standard. MT Insight is a business intelligence platform. Let me just talk about why we created each of them and give you a better idea of how they're practically used and why they're different from one another. So MT Connect, interoperability open standard, 11, 12 years ago, we were taking a look at this problem in factories where all the different devices in the manufacturing floor wouldn't connect, wouldn't communicate. Everything had its own protocol. You had to write little black boxes. Apps and software engineers spent a lot of time getting things to connect and communicate. The data was different. And so we wanted to create a structured common data format. So really MT Connect is really a data dictionary. Think of it as a Rosetta Stone of information that goes into manufacturing technology components. So on is on, we talk about, speed, acceleration, whether we're using Fahrenheit, Celsius, commonality of terms so you can get structured data and devices can communicate with one another. And so there's over 50,000 application devices that are outside using this. We've had over 300 manufacturers and integrators, builders, end users helping us develop that data dictionary. And it's pretty much being used all over the world. And it's the only one that's a standards development organization in and of itself. So the MT Connect Institute is a standards development organization. It's an ANSI approved standard, and currently ISO is looking at also approving it as a standard. So that's MT Connect, which you can find more information at mtconnect.org. Free, open data communication standard. So different devices, common connection. That's the term we used from the beginning, what we were trying to solve. That's what MT Connect does. MT Insight, on the other hand, is a business intelligence platform. So the idea there is really trying to use an application that we can go out there and do analysis, kind of get lots of different information from different data sources, create commonality there amongst the data information, get better ways to display the information, dashboards, other ways of putting it out through products, so that we can actually take lots of different data, curate that data, create better visuals, apply our analytics to it to get you guys better information. So it automates the process inside where we did everything with our analysts and economists and statisticians and data scientists one off every single time. It allows us to automate that process and develop products like Passport, Map Your Markets, USMTO in advance, Sell Your Product, MT News. All of that happens because we can curate and build it off the business intelligence platform of MT Insight. And more information on that is at mtinsight.org. And again, AMT undertook these things so that every company didn't need to individually do it. If everybody creates their own standard on the MT Connect side, it's not a standard, everyone's got their own. On the MT Insight side, it's expensive creating a business intelligence platform and getting all the data that goes into it. So what we've done is gone to that, grab all that expense, build the product, and then provide it for you guys to be able to leverage and use on your own. So mtconnect.org, mtinsight.org, and you get more information on them. Data information you can use driving things happening in your factory, your facilities, but also in your marketing, your sales, and your business development. And hope that helps. That's your daily minute and a half-ish or more. Hey, thanks for joining. See you.